Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's about to blow our minds again. The M5 Mac Mini is coming, and the leaks are absolutely wild. We're talking a massive power jump with the new M5 chip, support for Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, and even rumors of a futuristic stackable modular design. This might be the biggest Mac Mini upgrade since the M1 changed everything. Today, I'll break down the release date, price, and game-changing features that could make this Apple's most powerful compact computer ever. The power jump, the M5 chip, is rumored to deliver next-level CPU and GPU performance. Imagine that, a gaming-capable Mac Mini. Purpose and strategy focuses on performance, the thing viewers care about. Mentions M5 versus M4 power leap, key for search queries like M5 Mac Mini performance. Adds real-world context, 4K video editing, 3D rendering, AAA gaming. This appeals to different audiences: creators, gamers, developers. The design shift leaks suggest a slimmer aluminum body, maybe even iMac-style colors, stackable modules like Lego for pros. Shifts from power aesthetics and usability, appealing to design-focused viewers. New colors connect to Apple's ecosystem branding. People search Mac Mini colors. The stackable modules rumor is the most viral-worthy part. People love to share futuristic concepts. Ports and connectivity: Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 support for multiple 8K displays. Covers technical upgrades, crucial for pro users. Thunderbolt 5 future-proof appeal. HDMI 2.1 connects to gaming and display searches. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 SEO-rich terms that people will be Googling. Release date and price expected late 2025 or early 2026, starting at $599. Pro version up to $399. So there you have it. The M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be a tiny desktop beast with insane power, future-proof connectivity, and maybe even a whole new look. But here's the real question: will you upgrade to the M5 Mac Mini when it launches? Or are you waiting for the Mac Studio or Mac Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I want to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my deep dives into the M5 MacBook Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and more Apple leaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.